Hi everyone, it's Bianca. I'm right here in Shanghai, the ultimate shopping paradise. You won't believe the incredible range of products you can find in this city, sourced from every corner of the world. But we're not here to do shopping in today's video. We're going to learn a super useful Chinese word, that is 产品, product. The character 产 means to produce or to yield. It signifies the action of creating or generating something, often through a process of manufacturing, cultivation, or creation. 品 refers to an item, so when combined, 产品 represents the concept of a product or goods resulting from a production or creation process. It is a commonly used term in business, marketing, and commerce. For example, 他的产品质量很好. His product has a very good quality. While 产品 is often associated with tangible goods, it can also be used to refer to intangibles, such as software, advice, or services. For example, 进博会已经成为全球共享的国际公共产品. The China International Import Expo has become a public good for the whole world. This year's CIIE has attracted more than 60 countries to participate. The exhibition area and the number of industry-leading enterprises all reach new heights. Effective participation, fair trade practices, and a commitment to open and transparent trade. Those are essential factors that maximize the positive role of the expo as a public good on the global economy. 产品 product 你学会了吗？